Luce, what does a kitty cat say? That's right. A kitty cat says meow. And what do we do when it's hot? We blow. That's right. We blow. And what does a baby drink with? What does a baby drink with? Papa. 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 And what do you call your... And what happens when you go to bed? Do you go night-night? Night-night? Night-night?
Dada.
Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Is he downstairs? And where's Mama? And where's your nose? And where's your eyes? And where's your tongue? And where's your ear? And where's your belly button? Oh yeah, that's right. We found it. And what about your hands? And what about your feet? Where's your feet? Yeah, you know. You got it, baby girl. You got it. That's right. We'll keep working on all of our things. But one last time, what does a kitty cat say?